My name is Hannah Kohler, and I serve as the Sustainability Liaison for George Mason University Student Government. Earth Month is celebrated every April. During Earth Month, there are so many opportunities to participate in fun educational events and activities. This is a fantastic time to learn more and make a sustainable impact. Join me on my sustainability journey this month and stay up to date and check out all the ways you can get involved at go.gmu.edu/earthmonth. As students, there are a lot of different ways we can be more sustainable both on and off campus. It's important to be mindful of how much running water we use when washing our hands, washing dishes, or brushing our teeth. To reduce water waste, keep your faucet off and only turn it on when it's time to rinse. When you're choosing how to get where you need to go, think about active transportation like walking or biking, taking a George Mason shuttle, carpooling with friends, riding the Q bus, or using a scooter. Choosing more sustainable transportation options is a great way to minimize traffic and to make an impact. We all forget things from time to time, but let's try to remember to turn off lights, appliances, and devices when they're not in use. If you have a device that's plugged in, but it's not charging or being used, unplug it. Those devices still use power. I always keep a reusable bag with me. It's a sustainable way to carry items while reducing waste from single-use bags. Did you know glass bottles and jars are endlessly recyclable? Even better, you can recycle them right here on the Fairfax campus with the glass recycling program. Look for the purple trailers and bins. But remember, glass bottles and jars cannot be recycled in regular recycling streams. Learn more about the Purple Trailer's schedule, appropriate waste disposal, and the glass recycling program by visiting go.gmu.edu/zero-waste. Do you want to learn more about sustainability and earn academic credit? Consider registering for a Green Leaf course or participating in a Green Leaf program. These courses and programs focus on sustainability. There are more than 125 courses and 25 programs to choose, so you're sure to find something you like. Learn more by visiting go.gmu.edu/greenleaf. Help us keep George Mason's campuses looking beautiful by joining student government's Maintain Mason initiative. Each Friday, while school is in session, student government members and volunteers meet from 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. to help keep the Fairfax campus clean. Each week, we focus on a different area of campus and collect as much trash as we can. Learn more and register for Maintain Mason by visiting sg.gmu.edu/join/maintain-mason. Students are making a sustainable impact with the Plastics-Free Mason initiative. They're leading efforts to eliminate single-use plastics and replace them with more sustainable alternatives like reusables. You can make a difference by using reusables whenever you can. Pack a reusable bottle, bag, or utensils with you when you go out. Learn more about this student-led initiative by visiting go.gmu.edu/plastics-free. We've talked about just a few of the many ways to get more involved during Earth Month. Learn more by visiting go.gmu.edu/earthmonth. University Sustainability, one of the teams in facilities and campus operations, provides the George Mason University community with various opportunities to get engaged and make a sustainable impact. Let's check out a few opportunities. One of the best ways is to volunteer. You can volunteer just for fun or to fulfill course requirements. Either is fine. You don't need any prior experience, and all training and supplies are provided for free. Most of the volunteer opportunities are hosted by University Sustainability, although there are always some opportunities hosted by their partners. Volunteer opportunities include sustainable agriculture, hydroponic and aquaponic produce production, permaculture, composting, waste audits, produce redistribution, and much more. Learn more about volunteering as an individual or as a group by visiting go.gmu.edu/greenvolunteering. Learn how to grow food sustainably by joining University Sustainability's Greenhouse and Gardens Academic Internship program. You'll gain hands-on experience by growing and harvesting food, conducting sustainable research, using our hydroponic system, and more. Learn more and get started by visiting go.gmu.edu/internship. Got an idea to make George Mason even more sustainable? Apply to the Patriot Green Fund, a $100,000 per year annual fund financed by facilities and campus operations and managed by University Sustainability. Since it started in 2011, the PGF has financed more than 100 projects. Here are a few examples: birdhouses, bee hotels, stormwater robots, research on microplastics, reusable to-go containers, Big Belly solar waste stations, and much more. You can earn up to $20,000 for your sustainability-focused infrastructure or research project. Applications for up to $3,000 are accepted on a rolling basis. That means you can apply at any time. Want to get even more involved and help manage the PGF? There will be 2 openings for the PGF committee this summer. Learn more and submit an interest form to get started by visiting go.gmu.edu/pgf. Want to throw on some personal protective equipment and see what folks are throwing away? Volunteer to join one of our waste audits. Learn more about appropriate waste disposal options by visiting go.gmu.edu/zero-waste. You can help us achieve the Zero Waste Mason goal by diverting 90% or more of the university's waste away from trash by redistributing, reusing, repairing, or repurposing, recycling, and composting. Throwing something in the trash needs to be the last option. Compost your fruit and veggie scraps at the Innovation Food Forest or the Potomac Heights Garden. Dispose of industrial compostable products like to-go food containers and all types of food waste at the 6 Big Billy solar-powered zero waste stations. Virtually explore sustainability features of George Mason's Fairfax campus by using the University Sustainability Map. Use the interactive layers to learn about agriculture and sustainable dining, alternative transportation, the urban environment, the natural environment, social sustainability, stormwater, the Patriot Tree Project, the Mason as a Living Lab Initiative, and zero waste. Explore the University Sustainability Map by visiting go.gmu.edu/SUSTY map. The end of the academic year is fast approaching, and so is Move Out. Don't trash useful items when you're moving out. Donate them to Patriot Packout. Patriot Packout is a community-based program that collects donations and redistributes them for free to George Mason Patriots, on-campus partners, and local community organizations. Patriot Packout prevents useful items from being thrown away, decreases waste generation and its associated social and environmental harms, and helps address basic needs and insecurity. You can donate clothes, shoes, accessories, textbooks or school supplies, non-perishable food, toiletries, small appliances, electronics, small furniture, bikes, scooters, and skateboards. Donations are accepted from April 20th to May 13th at locations on the Fairfax, Science and Technology, and Smithsonian Mason School of Conservation campuses. If you're excited by this, Patriot Packout needs your help. Students, faculty, staff, and alums can volunteer to help collect, transport, and organize donations. Everything you need to know about Patriot Packout is included on its website, like accepted donations, donation locations, volunteer shifts, appropriate waste disposal, and more. Visit go.gmu.edu/Patriot Packout. Even though Earth Month is celebrated in April, you can make a sustainable impact year-round. Continue to explore opportunities to get involved and start your own sustainability journey. Let's work together to help make George Mason even more sustainable.